So it is a few days since they installed this. I've been away, so I haven't really had the chance taking a real look at this. But yeah, I mean it's a garage door. What can you say? Alright, let's go inside and have a look. It's not completely closed there. I guess that has to be that the cable is there. I'm gonna try closing it without the cable there to see that it actually closes correctly up there. You can see the condensation. I really need to dry everything up here. Power to the thing. Now it still seems to be coming light through that. So it's not really going against completely. I think this needs to be adjusted. It's the same thing on the other side there. So it's almost like 1.5 section isn't really going against this edge. So that needs to be adjusted. This needs charging. I was about to check that out, but I guess I can charge that first. Right, let's leave that to charge. Alright, so I'm just gonna have this on a, I don't know, kind of medium setting. Just blasting air here. So it's kind of steering the air around. So I mean, up here right now it's like 3-4 degrees. And down there it's on the 0, so. So this is high setting. Well, it's not really a tornado here with air moving, but I mean you can feel it's getting some. It's kind of hot here, but here doesn't feel a thing. Well, I gotta leave it. Alright, so we're gonna start with the sheeting of the roof. That's the plan for today. Just gonna see some of my lifts started working here. charger says that the batteries are full, so I need to find myself a multimeter to check that. I think Grams has one. Okay, batteries are good. This doesn't really seem to work. The fuse is blown. I need to find another fuse or make some kind of temporary coupler so we can just get this sheeting up. Right, I got to check if I have something like this. But I mean, when a fuse is blown, it's usually a reason for it to blow. Gonna see if I have something in here. Did I have something in? Oh no, this was just automatic, I think. Oh, this is just a mess. Nah, no fuses. No, this was just low fuses for like 20 amps or something like that. I just gotta solve this temporary. I gotta order a new fuse. I mean, if something's actually wrong in there, you're gonna you can hear that little sound. Yeah, seems to be something wrong with the motor. I just gotta unhook the pump to see that there's nothing in the hydraulic system that's making the resistance there. do know a guy that fixes motors like this. I'm gonna go and leave it to him instead. But yeah, we're gonna start with the walls now instead, since we can't use the lift. Yep. Den dit från väggen, hela där. Behöver inte vara så. Den där skalven känns ju, det är bättre att ha den där. Annars hade skalven hamnat där. Och sen ringer, men det läcker in! Här nu. Där skulle vi. Learning by doing, som de säger i Amerika. So we're gonna leave it like this for today. So I bought this thing. So I bought a door lock. I'm gonna try this out. I just bought one for that door. I'm gonna install it and use it for a while, seeing how it is. I mean, it's electric, so, but it's supposed to be handling cold without any problem. So trying that out, and then I'm gonna buy one for that door too, if that works. So it's just missing the Torx. Needed to take that off. So I gotta do this tomorrow instead. I gotta bring some Torx with me. Right, he told me to leave that just outside. Right, so I just went and got myself kebab pits. Good way of ending the day. So we got 3+, and outside it was -18. So that little fan is holding. I also have this on a temperature setting, so I don't know. I mean, it's kind of full of diesel, seeing the gauge here, so maybe it's been on for a while, but I don't really think that. So there's a guy coming today, so he's gonna adjust that door up there. Yeah, so we're gonna continue doing this. So we also have, we're gonna put in a wire here. We're gonna put in 3 wires. One there, one in the middle, and one on that side. And on those wires, the light is gonna come. It's gonna hang on those wires.
Yeah, I gotta deactivate this, the automatic locking feature. works.
So I got this channel fan I'm gonna mount in the roof. It's just something before. I mean, when the sheeting is up, I got 2 fans that I gotta mount there, but I'm just gonna mount this temporarily now to actually spread the air up there. There's a big difference up there compared to down here. A lot of degrees, not sure how much though, but guess we can check that. But I gotta put this. Yeah, the cable here. I don't know, I think it's fairly good. Let's try to make this visual on the camera. I don't know. So if we check the heat with the heat camera here, you can see that pallet is around 7 degrees Celsius. The floor is 6 degrees. And then we check the roof. Yeah. So 11 degrees. Yeah, so hopefully this is gonna do something with that. Yeah, you can kind of feel the wind. It's not really much though. Yeah, I think this is gonna do a lot. Just steering the air around a little bit. Okay, show the front.
Okay, when we program these remote controls, let's go back to normal. That's the normal situation.
Yeah.
Program,
Yeah.
we have to get 60. So we go to 6, inside 6, it's 60, and get it blink. Now we press the button, and 60 is the hole open. Now it's done. Then we have to put it half open, so it's 61. Put it to flash and press the button. Now it's done. Now we have to get out from the programming files. So these 2 lines, that we can go out by pressing program.
Okay, and now it's done.
And that's the icon that door is down.
Okay, I was thinking about that.
And when these are up, both like 7 and 7, the door is full open.
Yeah.
And when the door is on the way, it shows that not up, not down, but in the middle.
Okay. Yeah. All right. What does that 60 and 61 means? Is that just programming codes?
It's the programming codes, yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so I got some free controls. So that's really nice. So I got 4 spaceships to open this. So, and the door is now adjusted, so yeah. That's it. Let's call it a day.
ungefär som den här plåten. I think this is kind of a good spot for it. It's kind of exact here. We're still gonna need to make the sheeting here. So, I think I got it. So this shelf is a little bit long. Shorten that. And here. Maybe get this plastic tab on this. Just push this. Oh, that's kind of easy. Just push this out. So this chain is meant for if you have a power loss. You just push the manual and then you can open the gate with this. Or you can open the door with this. It's gonna take some time though. So I was just sent this picture from a motor repair guy here, and yeah, it's gonna be hard finding spare parts for this. So the rotor is, I mean, this has been dug in deep here. So I gotta need to change that motor. So this is my yaw crusher, for anyone that hasn't seen that. So I got plans for this. So this is one of the main goals, getting it running properly and everything like that. It's gonna be really fun. So I'm gonna pull this inside the garage when it's finished. Oh well, I kind of need to wait for the snow to melt off first. Then I'm gonna bring it inside the garage and just
keep working getting this to work properly. The main goal is pretty much not needing this sweeper machine to power this. I'm kind of looking for an electric motor right now. Well, not really right now, but I'm looking for an electric motor to use instead of the hydraulics. So it would be really nice actually having an electric motor and just a bigger genset to run this complete unit, not having to. This was just kind of a testing thing since I had this. Oh, I did not bring the right shoes for walking snow right now. I actually think I might. Look at that little thing. That's 24 volts. What does it say? How many kilo whiskies in that? It's wattage. Does it 250? That can't be right. But I actually think that that motor is a better fit than this one. But if that doesn't fit, I can actually make this probably fit there. So I think, wonder if this motor actually looks kind of similar. Wonder if that, it's actually, oh, good stuff here. Wonder if I can see the copper from this view. No, not really. Not really. So, Haldex Barnes. I know on the hydraulic motor on that lift it says Barnes, so I might as well just use something like this. I don't know, it's just 2 screws to get this motor loose. Let's take this off. This looks a little smaller though. Maybe it's around, I don't know, 2.2 kilowatts. I think the other one was over 3 kilowatts. Okay, this is also quite. Oh. So that's the key. You know what? I think this actually might fit. So yeah, for the crusher itself, I can just use something else. I don't really need this. I can take that thing that's there for the sweeper. Here is that. Let's see the rotation on this. I didn't even think about that, but hopefully it's just the same as. So I think that was going clockwise. The previous motor. Oh no, that's the wrong rotation. Ah, come on. Oh, no, that's the wrong rotation. This is spinning counterclockwise. And I strongly believe that motor was spinning clockwise. So yeah, this is not going to work. So I started looking at the hydraulic pump here. So it's got a tried searching these numbers but I couldn't really find anything. So this has 2 outlet hoses coming, and I'm not really familiar with pumps like this, so I'm not really sure why. Yeah, is one for drainage, or is this feeding 2 separate functions? So one of the hoses going here and the other one is going there. Okay, so I called a company selling parts for this, and they wanted 900 euros for a new motor. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't just order a new one. The problem with doing stuff here right now is that I have no tooling, no machines, so everything is kind of hard. So I might as well just order a new one, maybe. I don't know, I gotta think about it. I gotta start with the floor heating while I think about it, what I gotta do with this. Okay, so this is something I've been thinking about doing for a long time now, so I gotta install this. This thing is going here, which the hose are getting plugged into. I wonder if I need to make a distance out there to get a better fit with these lines. So this is coming out a little more. Yeah, I think this is good. This is high enough. Not too high, not too low. Should be straight. Nah, not really. So if I cut this now, should be able to bending that in there. Yeah, I got the correct length there. So I'm bending in here. So these are the connectors for this. So I guess this is going on first. Then the ring, I can put that on after I cut it to length, and then this is going on. You just push this in, and when you screw this on, that ring is gonna tighten and pretty much make that thing stuck. Can I just take a measurement? So that is in. really need to buy myself a toolbox. Now I need to run around finding tools all the time. Would be nice having some big toolbox with most of the tools. Number 2 pressure. Wonder how much I can bend this before they break. Let's try with this. Okay, not really that much. Let's try bending this. Yeah, that works. Wing is coming like that. How much correct? Yeah. That should be. Oh, that put some color on this. I think this should be soft. Yeah. Yeah, that's great enough. So this is done. I'm really relieved getting this done, not having that in the way anymore. So that's really nice. Let's check the difference now when I have had this fan running around 9 degrees in the concrete, and in the roof we have, I mean, it's pretty much the same, around 9 degrees. Because when I've been working on that thing, and when you're at the floor you start freezing a little bit, and then you go up there and you start sweating. So I mean, a few degrees is a big difference. So I got these metal clamps that go into the edges there. Yeah, so these are going there and where the roof meets the wall. But I'm not really sure. I gotta put this on the vertical going up there. That I gotta do, but I think we're gonna make our own in the same kind of gray color as that, and also put that up there, because I mean, now it's coming, well, that's gray, and then the gray one going there. The window is gonna be covered in gray, so I mean, it would be kind of nice having that one in gray also. Sure, it's a little extra money, but it's not really that much. So this is the sheeting for the roof, if I didn't show that. So I gotta go home. So I gotta go home and order a new motor for this. So we can get this going and get the roof up.